klase? Why didn't go to school? Why did you go to school? Di ba I already give you money?
I'm hungry. I didn't eat breakfast.
That's why I give you money for you to buy there. You meet your teacher yesterday, your teacher Sylvia. Your teacher Sylvia didn't tell me.
And then now, how about that phone? Grab that phone, Mom. Mom, it's just a prank only. Stop being a baby. Dad, she was mad. Someone told me there's no class. I'll tell you, Mom. It's a prank. Tane.
1 million moments before.
Sophia, bakit kayo umuwi dito?
I don't wanna go to school, Daddy. Same here. Dad, we have a plan. We will prank our mom so she can believe that we don't have school today, but except we don't wanna.
So, what's our plan? What's our plan today?
Pretending I skip school.
You
Pretending
just
our
pretending you
school-
skip your school?
No, pretending
You're hungry?
pretend our class dismissed early.
But you're
Just
just
skip our school.
yeah, but we're just going there pa. So, just pretend na lang you're hungry, then you just pretend na lang you're hungry, then you're going back home na lang because you're hungry, you're not going to school na lang. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, get inside.
Then you and we will go to school. And
No, then
are you dumb or smart? No. After that, you will get mad also.
you change your mind that after you eat, you change your mind and you're not supposed to go to school na. Then you feel tired na, you're going to sleep na lang.
Will mommy accept that? That's
Maybe
such a dumb idea.
Let's see if your mom, what your mom reaction. Go inside na.
I heard the knock. Bro, can you shut up already?
Wait. Go. You just cry. Just acting that you're Go, get. Go.
Why you come back here?
Because I'm hungry.
Why I give you money?
Don't you feel it?
Huh?
Mag-absent daw sila kay gutom daw sila.
Kung sa absent?
Gutom daw sila. Baka nasa luto isa, ngano mo yung ipakaon? Luto isa, ngano mo yung ipakaon? Luto isa mo.
Oo nga.
Dad, you
Daga lang yung kwarta.
Luto isa.
I'm hungry. Cook me food.
Wait lang, be. I-check ko muna, be.
Yes, check that JC girly pop. Mommy, no.
Luto isa sila.
Cook me food.
Gusto ko may klase. Why you didn't go to school?
I don't want.
Why did you go to school?
Because I was
Di
hungry.
ba I already give you money?
I'm hungry. I didn't eat breakfast.
That's why I give you money for you to buy there.
There's no money to buy.
I already give you sa
There, I'm still hungry.
Great.
Just cook me food.
I'm going to check what your teacher chat here, be.
Yeah, go check. This was not my plan at all.
Why your teacher didn't chat here?
I don't know. Maybe she's too dumb. I'm just joking. Just girl, place it to her. Just look at the group chat.
Wala mo nagsabi ang teacher mo. We met your teacher yesterday, your teacher Sylvia. Your teacher Sylvia didn't tell me.
And then now, how about that phone? Grab that phone, Mom. Mom, it's just a prank only. Stop being a baby. Dad, she was mad. Someone told me there's no class. Alteo's mom. It's a prank. Kane.
You didn't tell me earlier.
The people there just... No, Daddy wanted to make video. But it's not my plan, it was his. It was mine. It was his. It was mine. It was his. Mine. His. Mine. His. Mine.
Yes.
His. Mine.
I did.
His. Mine. His. Mine. His.